We are going to review not only this, but there are vegan burgers, and I've gone and thrown the packaging out. Let me just grab it. Hey team, welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed the last review, which was my part 2 of the Brickle men's face wash. I've got another review for you. It is Monday morning and she is mooching up on me for some reason. Today it's going to be food. I actually shot this footage with Adam a while ago. I believe it may have been before Thailand or after. And I actually forgot that I had it. It's been sitting in my library for me to edit. Side note. The pizza that you will see in some of the clips, I didn't actually end up finishing a review on that. And that's because it wouldn't have been a fair review because I did end up putting cheese, grated cheese, onto the pizza before it went into the oven. So I'm going to try my best to cut as much of that out as possible. Let's jump on in. We are going to review not only this, but there are vegan burgers, and I've gone and thrown the packaging out. Let me just grab it. This is what it looks like. Obviously they are vegan because we are vegan. Well, if it's not obvious, Adam and I are vegan. We do not partake in the eating of flesh. So we're going to try out this, beef burgers, Veef, as well as the smoky barbecue wood-fired pizza from Coles. Veef is from a specialty supermarket here in Melbourne in Ferntree Gully. I'll give you more information on that down below if that's something you're interested in. And here we have the Veef out of the packet, sizzling away in the pan. It's really disconcerting because it does kind of look like beef patties. And when I said that to Adam, Adam was like, oh, well, you know, they do sell beef too. It's really not selling it for me. Final product. We've got halloumi. Well, on mine, I've got halloumi. I've got that Veef burger.
Avocado.
I've got avocado, I've got beetroot and hummus. Oh, and mayo. What have you got on yours, Adam?
Because I'm not a weirdo, I have tomato sauce,
Gross.
tomato,
Gross.
sriracha, beef. The bun is made of 3-point-something% sweet potato. So get ready for that sweet potato taste.
I've had the halloumi before, it's really nice.
No, it's good. It's good. Mmm.
I like it.
Beef's really good. And it's not scarily like meat.
Mm.
Better than the Beyond Burger.
I have to say the Beyond Burger I am not a fan of at all. I've had it. I don't enjoy the consistency. I didn't like the flavour. And it smelt really bad.
And preparing it, it is scarily like meat. What are your thoughts? Does avocado go with beef? Avocado goes with chicken? Does it go with beef? It's been years since we've eaten beef. Does it go with beef?
Yeah, but the argument could be that because it's not beef, of course it's going to go with
But
it.
it's supposed to taste like beef.
Avocado goes with most vegetables or salad items, so...
Yeah, but it goes with salad items, but it doesn't go with beef. Like, you'd never see any kind of beef burger with avocado or like lamb or anything. The only thing that avocado goes with is normally chicken. I still like that Beyond Burger that we got to grill before Dumbo.
Yeah.
Watch Dumbo, it's really good.
Wasn't that good?
Yeah, it was.
As I'm actually editing this and piecing together the footage, I realize I'm wearing the exact same thing. Same shirt, same hat, and I made a mistake. It wasn't filmed before Thailand because it appears in it, and obviously I got this in Thailand. And if you didn't watch any of my Thailand vlogs, pretty sure you need to go and watch them. I thought I'd give you a wrap up on my final thoughts on the Veef burger. I can't give you Adam's thoughts, though I'm pretty sure throughout our short yellow snippet of footage, you can see that he does enjoy the burger. I've actually since purchased the burger multiple times and really love the texture and the taste. If you haven't checked it out, go check it out. Veef, you can buy it at Coles, you can buy it at Woolworths, and I'm pretty sure it's at Maxi Foods and specialty stores linked below. Thank you for watching, team. I know I'm a little bit shiny. I just got out of the shower. I've freshly shaved. I like to get prepared for the week the day before. It's currently Sunday when I'm doing my intro and my outro. This Friday coming up, you're going to follow Adam and I as I take him to Montsalvat. It's an artist community / colony / settlement thing that's here in Melbourne. It was established in the 1800s. Hopefully you stay tuned so you can come along for the ride.